What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Gala almost at 4 cents. This might be the last time you could get Gala under 4 cents. We're up 15% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.46 billion. 24-hour volume 276 million. If we hop into the chart, we are starting to see a little push. And plus Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially BTC, looks like it might push from here. So if you can break this double bottom at about 4 cents, stay above the 4 cent range, then I would look at a straight breakout scenario. And if we zoom in a little bit, what you'd look for, wave 1, that's ABC correction, wave 2, and then you'd push up 3, 4, 5 on that smaller micro count. Micro counts can be inaccurate. That's why you don't often see me putting wave counts in something like this wave C, because the micro counts, like people who do that, they have like 6 different options, and I don't like to do that. It doesn't make any sense. Just stick with one scenario, and if you're wrong, suck it up like a man. That's it. So the larger wave 3 would push up to 11 cents. If we do end up rolling over, then we create that one more low that I was looking for and then see the bounce. But if we can hold above 4 cents, then I think it's likely you're going to see that straight breakout to the upside, which will take us towards 11 cents in the wave 3. If you look at the weekly, I talked about us retesting the weekly EMAs, and it looked good that we were holding them. Now we're bouncing from them, so we're creating that weekly cross, that buy and go to the beach signal. Basically, you buy when you see the weekly cross, and you hold for the entire bear market till it gets towards seeing that bearish cross. I would honestly sell before the bearish cross on the weekly, but you do you. So the larger wave count off the bear market low, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 is 13 cents. Once we break this big juicy double bottom, that is a target of 15 cents. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for Gala. We're currently in trades for Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, Turbo. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. This will literally take 30 seconds of your time. The best deal on YouTube, in my opinion. Once you sign up, this is one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Just send me an email. All you have to do is sign up. It takes 30 seconds, and I'll give you completely free access, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades. Right now, my Forex signal is mostly trading gold, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. You really can't beat it, guys, and you can have completely free access, almost 3,000 members, and all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. There's no strings attached. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.